mean of you? Yeah. Yep. Mean of you. Yep. Mean of you. Hmm? Yep. Mean of you. Yeah. Yeah. Wah. Yeah. Wow! Yeah. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Say hi to Daddy. Hey, Daddy, I miss you. I miss you. Daddy, you're so far away. Can't be any further than India. Daddy, come back home soon, right? Say hi. Hi, Daddy.